channel. Today we are going to be doing a Fendi unboxing and unbagging because I did pick up a piece from the Fendi flagship store in Rome during my recent trip to Italy. Make sure that you check out all of the vlogs. I am currently working on getting those all posted. And I also ordered my very first Fendi piece from Fashionphile. Yes, I am just on a Fashionphile kick right now. So I'm going to show you what I got from Fashionphile first and then show you what I picked up at the flagship store in Rome. So we'll start with the Fashionphile unboxing right here. So just packing and then all of the card goodies, the confetti papers, the Fashionphile. Let me get the bag out. Okay. Typical Fashionphile dust bag. She's so pretty. So the Fendi item that I got is the mini peekaboo. And I guess they did this because it's like lambskin. So, and then there's the Fashionphile strap things. But isn't she so pretty? So she's a very light pale beigey pink with the gold hardware. I'll show you that side. And I thought this was so cute. Now, I know that I put the Fendi Peekaboo on my bags I refuse to buy list, but that was more for the larger bags. See, I hadn't really ever gone to look at the Fendi bags before. I was just thinking off of like the price point, that'd be something I would never be interested in. And it wasn't really, the larger ones weren't really a silhouette that I gravitated towards. But then I was in Saks one day and I saw a mini peekaboo and I was like, oh, those are actually super cute. They just need to make all bags really small and then I would go for them. So that's what I did here. I wanted kind of like a nudie colored bag that would go with pretty much anything. So I really like this one. Now, I do love when the interior, where it like peeks out, is a different color. Unfortunately, this is the same as the whole bag, but that's okay. Let me get the strap out and give you the full rundown of everything. So they have these nice long crossbody straps. I do also kind of wish that these were a little bit thicker. This is really thin, but I guess it's not really that big of a bag, so you don't need these huge thick straps on this little bag. But isn't that just so dainty and cute? So this one from Fashionphile came with the dust bag. It says Fendi really small right down there. And then in this little pouch, it is the raincoat, and then all of the paperwork and information. So you can keep the raincoat in the bag. And then if you're out and about and you get caught in a downpour, you can just slip it over. So that way the Napa leather does not get damaged. Now they also make this in a Selleria leather, which is like this really thick, hardy leather, but I love the look of this soft, smooth. I want to say this is almost like a lambskin material. I thought that was really cute. And then that's just bubble wrap there. So on the inside, it's just one main compartment. There is a small slip pocket here. And on the other side, move cards, one large pocket, and then a zip compartment right there. So this also expands out a pretty good amount, so it holds quite a bit for being such a small bag. Now the main reason why I was okay with purchasing this bag, even though I did have it on my bags that I refused to buy, was because typically the Fendi Peekaboos, even though they are super popular, they don't really hold their value very much. So I was looking at the prices and this one popped up on Fashionphile and it was an amazing price. I think typically these retail for like $4,000. I just know that if you purchase this bag brand new and try to resell it, you're going to lose a big chunk of change. So that's another reason why I was able to justify purchasing it pre-loved, because I did save so much money and it is just so darn stinking cute. And it is a perfect color for the spring and summer. I love that it does have the long crossbody strap because I am a crossbody person, and it even has the little top handle, so it's very versatile. But also, like when I'm in my car and I'm getting out, it's kind of hard to grab my bag with this huge strap. So it's much easier just to kind of reach over to the other seat, grab it with the top handle, and go. So that is my mini Fendi Peekaboo. I'm so excited to start using this, and I will link some of my current fashion file favorites down below as well. So if you do want to save a little bit of money by shopping pre-loved, be sure to check those out. Now, let me show you what I picked up from the flagship store. So this came in, obviously, the nice little bag, and then there's a dust bag inside. It says Fendi on it. And then inside here, I just got a strap. And this is going to go perfectly with my peekaboo. I really love this. I think it's called like a Zuka print. I am obsessed with this. And there was another bag that I was really interested in getting when I was there, but we had just hit up Louis Vuitton a little bit too hard, so I couldn't justify spending another, I think it was like 2,000 euro for that bag. And it had recently come out, so I wanted to wait, kind of think about it a little bit more before I commit to buying it. And maybe if it's similar to the Peekaboo, if it doesn't hold its value, then I can just buy it on the pre-loved market and save a bunch of money that way. Even though I would have saved a little bit more by purchasing it in Europe as opposed to the United States, it's possible that the price will actually go down even less than that. So we'll see. That way I can have some time to think it over. But in the meantime, I did want to get something with this print on it. So I figured a nice thick strap would be perfect for the Peekaboo, and the color, I just love the colors together. This kind of beigey pink pretty much goes with anything. So this is I don't know if it's supposed to be black or a really dark brown, and then there's that lighter brown, but I thought those went together so nicely, and it kind of gives it some more punky, funky vibe. So can just put it on here and then wear it like that. They did have shorter straps like this as well, but it kind of clashed with this handle. Since this strap is removable and this one is not, I wanted to go ahead and just get the longer one so I could replace this strap. So that is my Fendi unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that way you're notified every time I make a new one. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.